As business owners, I think it's important that we make a conscious effort to try to refer each other in our businesses. So that doesn't necessarily mean that we always have a need for whatever service everybody here has to offer, but what it means is we might know somebody who needs a massage therapist, who would like to have some Mary Kay, who's looking to buy or sell a home. And so what I want to do is bridge that gap, make those connections between each other so that we can be a part of helping to generate more business for each other.